आमिर सर कह रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल सही है, अगर कुछ काम नहीं हो तो फिर ट्रेन के पीछे भागने की जरूरत नहीं है।
I hope that
वरुण नहीं है, आज अर्जुन से काम चला लो। अब 4 नाम में से 3 नाम इन्होंने बोल दिए तो इन्हीं को दे दो भाई।
2 बोला। I said we have.
Yeah.
You've touched almost 50 million on Barish.
It must be more than that.
Music does not always translate to the numbers of the film increasing. I have always been very realistic, Faridun. I am very practical and realistic. It's unrealistic to always expect every film to top the last one.
Absolutely.
हाय, मैं हूँ श्रद्धा कपूर।
हाय, मैं हूँ अर्जुन कपूर।
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड
हंगामा।
हंगामा। एक्चुअली मैं अर्जुन कपूर हूँ, ये श्रद्धा कपूर
जोक
है।
था, आई एम आल्सो।
बट आप फिर भी देखिए
बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
लाइफ में 3 चीजों के पीछे कभी नहीं भागना चाहिए, बस, ट्रेन और छोकरी। एक गई तो दूसरी आएगी। दैट्स व्हाट गुरु आमिर खान हैज सेड in a movie long time back, but we'll figure out that if Arjun Kapoor has learned that or not, and his half girlfriend Shraddha Kapoor in the movie has what does she has to say about that as well. Pleasure having you guys first of all on Bollywood Hangama. And आप मानते हैं इसको, because you know we have an Amir Khan Shraddha Kapoor connection as well, as we discovered in the last interview.
She didn't know that I've unveiled to the world in the last interview.
हाँ जी। So आपको क्या कहना है कि that लाइफ में 3 चीजों के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए, बस, ट्रेन और छोकरी। एक गई तो दूसरी आती है।
आई थिंक अगर आप काम के लिए लेट हो रहे हो तो बस और ट्रेन के पीछे तो भागना चाहिए, वरना नौकरी खतरे में पड़ जाएगी।
ओके।
छोकरी डिपेंड्स ऑन इफ यू लव हर एंड इफ यू फील दैट इफ यू रन बिहाइंड हर एंड यू कैन गेट हर इन योर लाइफ एंड यू कैन मेक हर रियलाइज कि तुम उससे सच्चा प्यार करते हो तो बिल्कुल भागना चाहिए। और अगर वो आपसे भी प्यार करती है और कहीं ना कहीं आपके साथ नहीं है, ये जरूरी भी है। यू नो, इट शुड बी फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स। वरना जो आमिर सर कह रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल सही है, अगर कुछ काम नहीं हो तो फिर ट्रेन के पीछे भागने की जरूरत नहीं है, अगली वाली पकड़ सकते हो। वैसे ही हिसाब है जिंदगी का भी, अगर जेन्युइन इमोशन नहीं है तो फिर भागना क्यों।
एब्सोल्युटली।
वो प्यार होना जरूरी है, यू नो। एंड अगर आपको किसी से जैसे माधव का कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में, वो इतना प्यार करता है रिया से, इतना प्यार करता है, लेकिन वो स्टॉकिंग नहीं करता, मतलब उससे तंग नहीं करता उसका पीछा करके। तो वो उससे सच्चे दिल से प्यार करता है, वो निभाना चाहता है, और वो उससे तंग नहीं करता कि उसके पीछे भागे। यू नो व्हाट आई मीन टू से इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टॉकिंग।
Absolutely. But you know, the perception is, as I was telling him, we had a long Facebook live discussion on the entire subject as well, that कहीं ना कहीं रिया सोमानी ने माधव को काफ़ी परेशान किया, मतलब काफ़ी basically like she is not committing as well and she plays half court as well, and वो कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसा लगता है that she is enjoying the entire process as well. So आपको इसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
I don't think she's enjoying it, but
you know, she's actually she's not enjoying it at all, क्योंकि उसकी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से वो परेशान है, जिसकी वजह से वो कहीं ना कहीं पर डरती है पूरी तरह से कमिट करने में, पूरी तरह से अपना दिल देने में। तो वो इसलिए वो कहती है, वो बहुत पसंद करती है माधव को। माधव जो सादगी लाते हैं उसकी ज़िंदगी में, वो पहले उसने कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया। तो वो बिल्कुल ये एंजॉय नहीं करती कि वो इस उलझन में है और उसे एंजॉय कर रही है, बिल्कुल नहीं। इनफैक्ट वो एक्चुअली बहुत काफ़ी परेशान है। जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो क्योंकि बाहर से तो सब ठीक लगता है, सबसे पॉपुलर लड़की है, कॉलेज की, बड़े गाड़ी में घूमती है, अच्छे कपड़े पहनती है, वैसे तो बाहर से लगता है कि सब कुछ है उसके पास, पर एक्चुअली और सबको लगता है कि यार ये तो बहुत खुश होगी, पर एक्चुअली शी इज़ नॉट हैप्पी। एंड ऑफ कोर्स जिन्होंने किताब पढ़ी है उनको पता होगा कहानी क्या है, पर जो फिल्म देखेंगे उनको पता चलेगा यार ये क्यों परेशान है।
जैसे एक पॉइंट में मैं कहता हूँ हमारे लिए तुम हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड ही काफ़ी हो, क्यों कुछ रिश्ते आप फिर भी नहीं छोड़ोगे, अगर उसमें कॉम्प्लिकेशन है फिर भी उन्हें निभाना चाहते हो, पकड़ के रखना चाहते हो, बिकॉज एक इमोशनल बॉन्ड है। इट्स नॉट फ्रिवलेस एट ऑल, दैट इज द थिंग, एंड इट इज नॉट वन साइडेड आइदर, जो बहुत जरूरी होता है टू व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म यू विल रियलाइज इट। पर कहीं ना कहीं अगर किसी को भी एक डाउट है कि इज इट दैट सिर्फ माधव एक तरीके से प्यार करता है और रिया डजंट लव हिम, दैट इज नॉट द केस। देयर इज अ कनेक्ट, देयर इज एन इमोशन, देयर इज समथिंग दैट दे वुड लाइक टू हैव मोर ऑफ, बट हालात ऐसे हैं जो उसे पूरी तरह निभाने से नहीं, हम दोनों नहीं निभा पाते उसे।
बिल्कुल। श्रद्धा कपूर, as we discovered in the last interview that apparently Varun Dhawan says that Shraddha Kapoor is एक तो पहले आप और वरुण मुझको प्लीज टाइम दे दें। Your fans, they are literally stalking me.
हाँ, he told me also last time कि इन्होंने पिछली बार बोल दिया था कि जरूर कोशिश करेंगे।
एक पिक्चर भेजते हैं, उसमें एक गाड़ी है बिल्कुल दीवार के एकदम बिल्कुल यहाँ पर एकदम, we are this close to a Varshara interview. It's like
They want you and Varun to do another interview.
Daily basis, on a daily
That's
basis.
really sweet.
Yeah,
So guys, I hope that.
Varun नहीं
we
है
would love
आज
to
अर्जुन
do
से
it.
काम चला लो.
But no, yeah, I mean, of course, whenever it's possible. We would love to
Okay,
do it,
thank
I'm
God,
sure.
thank God, thank
Of
God.
course.
Okay, all right. So now what do you have to say about this? That Varun Dhawan calls you baby Amir Khan because कहीं ना कहीं आप you have a lot of penchant for perfectionism that you say that एक take और.
The thing is, she just looks. So उसमें we'll do. But you know, one more.
I mean, I just feel कि और better हो सकता है.
Right.
That's all.
But comparison with Amir Khan, do you feel good about that?
That
about
is
obviously?
very flattering.
Yeah.
I would say बहुत. I mean, that's a very flattering comparison, yaar.
But she does like to put in, like, she doesn't
No,
mind the thing
Absolutely.
of going through it again and again and again. You know, some actors do feel spontaneity lose ho jati hai. There are people who like to hold on and just do 1 or 2 and 3 and then they
Sure.
feel it might not feel as organic and natural. I think with Shraddha, the thing is, firstly, it's her equation with Mohit also, I feel somewhere where they try to push each other also. And the kind of role it was, I truly feel that because they both are working on the third film together, the onus was upon them to try and reinvent that bond that they have of
Right,
actor-director. So
right.
there was a thing to push. And let's see what we can achieve rather than relying on a comfort zone. And that's very commendable on both their parts.
Absolutely.
मेरे बिल्कुल ऐसी डिस्टर्ब हो गया तो बार-बार मिली थी।
कैसा है?
बस फर्स्ट क्लास।
अरे गाने इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं पिक्चर के।
हाँ, सबको पसंद है।
स्लो मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
स्लो में फास्ट ग्रो हो रहे हैं।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Sir, one selfie with you, sir. ऐसा मौका रोज नहीं मिलेगा sir.
पकड़ लो।
I'm not going to let it go. We have an interesting quiz now with you guys, which is basically how well do you know Chetan Bhagat? And
I thought it was going to be how well do you know each other.
that, you know,
This is truly the most unique quiz I've ever
because
played.
actually, you know, you played it before. So let's not be predictable. Actually, we could have done that. That's an easy
But
way.
not about
With the-
Chetan
with-
Bhagat.
yeah.
अच्छा, you mean your co-stars?
No. Yeah.
Normally तो
How
एक
well
दूसरे की
do
बात
you know
होती
each other? हम लोग करते हैं तो वो this is
चेतन के बारे में
about
discuss.
you could have been about Arjun and
हाँ.
him about. But that's something that we've done it with you
Yeah.
before. So let's do something
Yeah,
something
this- I
new.
like this.
And you can actually win something. So where is the time?
Oh, अभी
I
अब आया
have
ना.
to
And
say,
it's
guys,
really-
I have to say that very rarely do we get hampers when we play these
अब
games
competition
during
होगा.
promotions.
This is a
so
very-
whoever brings a hamper for
You
us,
know,
thank
this
you.
is a really cool speaker actually, Bluetooth speaker that you can actually win.
देख अब
Okay, so
हाफ नहीं full जाएंगे इस
okay,
discussion
so
में.
now I'll just give out a question and also
All
some
the best,
answers.
All
Okay,
the
I'll give you options as well, and whoever gets them first.
पहले जो
अरे
बोला वो
यार.
जीता.
जो पहले जो बोला वो जीत. She's very competitive, mind you. She
हाँ,
looks very
extra
simple
competitive.
and all that. She's very competitive.
मैं जानबूझ
Okay.
के कई बार जीत
हाँ
के भी
जी.
इनको गिफ्ट दे देता हूँ वरना बुरा मान जाती है.
वो अपने बलबूते पे जीतना जानती हैं वो. All right, so which was Chetan Bhagat's debut book?
One
Call
night at a
call
call center.
center.
Action replay देख लो.
Should
मैंने पहले बोला.
I give out
Options की
the
जरूरत है.
options?
5.7.
5.7. Okay, so
अच्छा
one.
जो first film that was adapted was
No, which was
One Night at a
no. I'm saying which was Chetan Bhagat's debut book. This was the debut.
Correct. No, I realized the answer
I
we
real-
gave was because the first book that was adapted into a
For
film was One
1-0.
Technicality में फंस गया. It's okay.
Okay.
बड़े-बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
Which was the movie adaptation of Chetan Bhagat's Three Mistakes of My Life?
काय पहुंचे?
Kai Poche. He's
Oh my
right.
god.
Three mistakes over. But he confused you by saying Bhogat. He confused you. He played a game. साजिश रची गई.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ.
चेतन भोगत.
उसमें
सर ऐसा मत कहो हमारे
उसमें
प्रोड्यूसर के सामने सर.
Okay, yeah.
उसमें there was no actually. Okay, now we'll come to the third one. This can be slightly difficult.
Sure.
Okay, but it has just happened, so I think you can know that. When is
One
Chetan
million
Bhagat's
dollars.
birthday?
When
Oh,
is?
अभी 18th
I can give you options. I'll give you options. I'll give you options. April 24th, April 22nd, April 20th, 18th April.
April 22nd.
April 22nd. 2-1. Okay, 2-1.
स्टेज लगी थी 18th अप्रैल को उसके 4 दिन बाद
For which film Chetan Bhagat won Filmfare Award for Best Screenplay? Kick, Kai Poche, 2 States, 3 Idiots.
Serious. No, I'm wrong.
He did screenplay for Kick. I know that. Did he do screenplay for 3
Kai
Idiots
Poche?
also?
I think
Then
Kick-
it would
Kick-
be 3 Idiots. Oh, Kai Poche. Sorry, actually Kai Poche.
Kai
No,
Poche.
Kai Poche.
I
He was
said
not.
it
Sorry,
first.
Kai
Yeah,
Poche.
I
Kai
said
Poche.
it
Yes,
first. I
yes. Kai
said it
Poche.
first.
For 3 Idiots, he was not nominated.
Correct.
I
Kai
said it
Poche.
first.
Kai
Poche. Kai Poche.
No, you can give it to either of us, but we.
किसने पहले बोला?
मैंने.
श्रद्धा? तो 2 all. So we are even right now.
अब 4 नाम में से 3 नाम इन्होंने बोल दिया तो इन्हीं को दे दो भाई.
2 बोला. I said 2.
No. Let's be fair. 2 all.
All is fair
Chetan Bhagat worked for which company in their Hong Kong office as an
HSBC
investment banker? I'll give you options in Hong Kong. Bank of China, Goldman Sachs,
Goldman
JP Morgan.
JP
Yes.
Morgan. बोलते जाओ जो मिल गया. तुमने भी तो यही किया पिछले आदमी. देखो. He said yes.
3-2 actually. Because actually Bank of China he did not say anything.
तो मैं चुप रहा.
He came to.
It's a twist.
Okay, now this is really simple and you guys need to really be ready for being quick. Okay, what is Chetan Bhagat's Twitter handle?
चेतन भगत.
Give us options ना.
Okay, Chetan Bhagat, Chetan _ Bhagat, Bhagat _ Chetan, Bhagat Chetan.
भगत चेतन अंडरस्कोर भगत.
The problem is that we cannot give it to you.
The problem is you don't want to give it to
आपने
me.
नहीं ऐसा
नहीं,
नहीं,
ठीक
ऐसी
है,
बात
ठीक
नहीं
है.
है. Because क्या है?
He was
आप
trying
मैं
it.
चाहता हूँ कि आप
उसमें-
श्रद्धा को गिफ्ट दीजिए
उसमें
He was
नहीं,
trying.
ताकि वो अपनी
Because, you know,
खुद
we'll
की
have to-
आवाज बहुत अच्छे तरह स्पीकरों पे सुने. टाई ब्रेकर
You
कर
can give us
सकते
both?
नहीं, आप टाई ब्रेकर
We
कर
can,
सकते.
we
एक
can.
और सवाल नल एंड वर्ड हो गया सब
सवाल
विदाउट ऑप्शन.
इसको वो करते बिकॉज क्या है ना उसमें आप if you'll have all the options to yourself.
एक सवाल और
So
कीजिए
that is-
विदाउट
No,
ऑप्शन.
but
अभी नहीं,
At
अभी
least
और
he was
मेरे पास अभी 4 सवाल है.
ठीक है तो विदाउट
So
ऑप्शन.
3-2 है. It is
Without option
3-2.
करते हैं.
There is 4 options still left. Four questions still left. Okay, Chetan Bhagat hosted
Nach
which
Baliye.
season of Nach Baliye?
Which season?
7. He's right.
अभी 8वीं पे गए थे ना हम लोग.
4-2. So, Shraddha Kapoor, you've got 3 questions. You can actually make it happen. So,
Okay.
Pressure, huh?
you'll have to just. Okay. Which of these books are not by Chetan Bhagat?
इसके लिए तो वेट करना पड़ेगा.
Which
option
of
सुनने
these
के
books
लिए.
are not by Chetan Bhagat? Making India Awesome, What Young India Wants, Indian After Gandhi, One Indian Girl,
Are not.
which is not written by Chetan Bhagat.
One
Just
Indian
repeat the
girl
option.
is.
Okay, Making India Awesome, What Young India Wants,
Making India awesome.
No.
Okay, so then you have an option to decide now.
Okay, now one option that you can try for. What Young India Wants, Indian After Gandhi, One Indian Girl.
Indian After Gandhi
Yeah, she's right.
is not. I mean,
4-3.
y'all made it easy for
4-3.
me.
4-3.
But I'll take the point.
Yeah, you must.
Please take the point. Okay.
Faridun wants you to take both the points without asking the question.
नहीं, It
ठीक है यार,
becomes
ठीक है.
interesting. It becomes more
नहीं
interesting.
ठीक है यार.
ऐसी बात नहीं. It becomes more
Content के लिए
interesting.
कुछ भी करेगा. Very
Okay.
bad ना Faridun. दिल तोड़ दिया तूने.
नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
ठीक है.
She's looking so good actually. You
बस-
know, you'll have to be nice to her.
I'm looking
Speaker
so
के
good,
साथ-
that's why.
सर स्पीकर के
No,
साथ आप माइक भी दे दो,
मुझे
गिटार भी दे दो सब.
You are looking so good. You are so nice.
तो मतलब
It is
मुझ में कुछ
basically
कहीं ना कहीं
congratulations.
मुझ में कुछ कमी
नहीं नहीं
रहेगी.
ऐसी कोई बात
नहीं,
नहीं.
ठीक है,
But
फिर
you
मुझ में कमी रहेगी.
you know
आज-
देखिए आपसे मैंने सीखा है अर्जुन जी कि always support the underdog.
यार मैं तो
I've
underdog
now
learned
you're
it.
not
I've learned-
saying underdog
I've
she
learned-
is, but-
but when it is the score is 4-3, so you are the one who's
I
underdog.
have to say,
I'll just be the
they are
dog.
helping
Let
me.
us shoot.
हाँ
She's
जी.
underdog,
Let's
I'm the
get down to
dog.
the questions now.
How,
Name
how,
Chetan
how.
Bhagat's younger brother, who's also a novelist.
हाँ?
Name Chetan Bhagat's younger brother, who's also a novelist.
चेतन ऐसे younger brother
I didn't know that.
You don't know that? He never discussed that.
कही
We
है.
did not know this.
छुड़वा तो नहीं.
But you know, Chetan से rhyme करता है कुछ. It rhymes.
केतन.
with- हाँ?
केतन. निकेतन.
केतन.
क्या बात है.
Five.
आपको
See,
पॉइंट
he
देना
has
पड़ेगा.
played very well.
He
He
has
has
played it very well. But still,
last वाला question.
एक आप मतलब consolation आपको हो सकता है. फिर भी you can try for this. This is very simple.
Make it a 3-pointer. Like basketball.
Yeah. Okay. Which is Chetan Bhagat's birthplace? Mumbai, New Delhi, Pune, Lucknow.
I don't know.
Delhi.
Yeah. You know,
Two states में मैं क्विज फॉलो कर रहा था. वो दिल्ली के ऊपर था.
हाँ जी.
मैंने हिसाब लगाया.
He
And the
has a
winner
bit,
is-
and the winner is Arjun Kapoor by a very handsome margin. So मुबारक हो आपको.
मुबारक आ रही है 20 जुलाई को. मुबारक 20 जुलाई को. मुबारक. और मैं आपको ये गिफ्ट दूंगा. आप भी कहिए मुबारक.
Really?
हाँ बोलो ना 20.
But he gives me all his gifts and I take them all.
मुबारक बोलना ये सब छोड़.
Thank you, Mubarak.
हाँ ओके वेरी
Achha, you're giving it to her?
No,
We'll share.
That is entirely up to you.
half.
Okay.
Half
Considering
give
that we were
half
talking
give
about
Yeah.
three-pointer in basketball,
Ji.
we have a short quiz on basketball for which we don't have a gift for you.
Okay.
But considering that
rotate ho sakta hai agar
basketball is quite an intrinsic part of the
Correct.
movie.
Yes, it is.
I think you guys may like it, and maybe you may be knowing about the game as well. Hanji.
I don't remember.
Options will be there in this as well.
Okay.
Options will be there as well. What's the start of a basketball game called?
Tip-off.
Kickoff. Tip-off. Tip-off.
I'll keep it here. धीरे-धीरे ऐसा करके ले जाता.
Okay, how many number
मेरे
of
घर के भी speakers ले लो.
how many number of players play in a basketball game?
Oh my
No,
God.
for both the teams combined or one
In one team,
team? 5.
5.
Point guard, shooting guard, center,
हाँ जी, so
small
2
forward,
out.
power forward.
This is nervous pressure.
ठीक है यार होता है.
Okay.
तो मैं सिखाऊंगा बाद में. तो मत बोल.
Okay, now how many points does a player get if he scores from outside the arc?
बोलो. क्या?
3. 2.
सही जवाब.
Okay.
That तो you know.
Full form of NBA. What is the full form of NBA?
National Basketball Association.
National Basketball Association. So I think he's rightly having the speaker in his hands. Now Shraddha Kapoor, the music is outstanding, and
Yes, Saeedun Sheriyar.
I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all, actually. And now the music is outstanding. You know, when you see things like 45 million views on a YouTube, I think that thumbnail for Barish.
Barish is 45
have?
million plus.
Yeah,
We've touched almost 50 million on Barish.
it must be more than that now.
45. Yeah. So over
Yeah,
40.
so when you see that on a thumbnail, now that's a huge number.
Yeah.
Because you know the
Pre-release,
song pre-release obviously because post-release तो बहुत हो सकता है, लेकिन pre-release होने का मतलब है कि without seeing the movie and this is just like a teaser, it is something that's like a huge testimony, and we've seen it in the past. I still remember for Kapoor and Sons, I still remember I think Chul had like 1.5 crores, that is 15 million or something like that, and that was considered to be like such a wonderful yardstick. So 45 million is tremendous actually. In terms of public interest, that's in terms of public interest.
And Shasha will be very happy to know जिन्होंने ये गाना
I'm sure that they
बनाया है.
okay.
हाँ?
I'm sure that they already know that.
Yeah, but the
मुझे
thing
ये
is,
बात पता नहीं थी.
we don't quantify with the numbers all the time, you know. So
Yeah.
हम हमेशा जब मिलते हैं लोगों से they say they like the song, so for us that is
Yeah.
as important as a
Yeah.
number.
No, but you know, if Arjun Kapoor,
No, but see,
You know,
a song can have as
but
many
you
number
know,
of hits.
you
Eventually, if
are-
people are not telling me feedback
हाँ.
about it, I'm feeling okay. Maybe that the song might be working at A level, but it
Right.
is not going and touching them.
you know, I'm coming in a very, very practical terms.
Correct.
Okay, the thing is that you're a producer's son. You understand what opening is all about, and you know the importance what
the
music can
implication
play.
is that music is
can
working,
play
yeah.
in the
You know,
opening of
people-
any movie. So let's come now to practical
No,
aspect.
but
That's something
I genuinely feel
that
not,
apart from the fact
see, in a
that
romantic
liking.
film, music has a lot of importance.
Ji.
Right.
But in certain genres, music does not always translate to the numbers of the film increasing. It's in a romantic film when the music is amazing, it drives the story and the emotion and the characters forward.
Yeah.
In situations where it is an itemized song that does well, it will not always enhance the emotional connect of the film. That is correlated then to the film. The music is appreciated separately and the movie is appreciated separately. Here the music will make you like the film more. So if you're liking the music, you will start enjoying it more in the film. It always adds an added dimension to a romantic film when your music does well. So I'm very, very happy about it. But in every situation, you can't take just the clicks or the hits into account. In this case, we need the love from the music to translate into the film because the music is like scenes.
Yeah.
मोहित की खासियत ही यही है अगर आप फिल्म में देखो उसकी तो his scenes and his songs are equal almost. You know, his songs do so much of the talking.
Yeah, see that factor is there, but the fact is that be it like a Chikni Chameli, it added hugely to
Of
Agnipath.
course.
Be it like a villain that you've had in the past, be it like Ashiqi
The romance
too.
in villain obviously comes
See,
from
I'm
that.
not discounting that at
Correct,
all.
yeah.
I'm not discounting that at all. What I'm saying is that in
No,
terms
music
of
of course helps. I'm not saying that.
I'm saying in terms of curiosity that
Correct,
people are having.
200%.
Many times तो क्या होता है कि फिल्में आती हैं पता भी नहीं होता कि कौन सी
Correct,
फिल्म आ रही है.
that I agree with.
So I'm saying in terms of curiosity and 45 million and
a
having
huge
like a,
number, yes.
it is by any standards, it's like a huge number. And we are not taking away the fact that कि उसमें emotional content होने वाला है.
No, what I'm saying is, I'm happy that he's doing this because that means the potential in the film is far more for the song to work even more.
Right,
That is the
right,
happiness.
right.
So if you're asking me, does 45? My excitement and my greed is okay. 45 million, I liked it without seeing the film.
Right.
I'm hoping that translation doubles when they see the film with this. That is a greed of any professional. They want more out of the situation. Nobody's going to just rest. Pre-release, you always want more. No, the greed is there.
Absolutely.
That is the thing. But yeah, I completely agree with you. Getting these kind of numbers, this kind of love, and living up to expectations where a Mohit Suri album is concerned. See, honestly, we are actors and
Considering his last album did not work that well.
and it is still appreciated by the people
It was
who
good,
did-
yeah, but it was
that's
not
what.
that appreciated the way
And
the earlier ones were.
He's been known for his music. And to have that expectation, and that can be a burden sometimes. And
Absolutely.
it's very difficult to live up to it all the time. So I think that's full
Absolutely.
credit to Mohit. He was working on this movie's music when he came to sign me, when he met me. He had all the songs.
Yeah.
He was working on them for a year before. While writing the material, he was working on the music at the same time.
Must be.
So if we've got so much time to prep, imagine how long he's taken to put the music together. बारिश पहली चीज थी जो उसने मुझे सुनाई थी. So imagine he's lived with these songs and he's had faith in it 2 years back. आजकल बोलते हैं ना कि you go with the times where music is concerned. You got to keep up to date कि 2-3 साल पुरानी ट्यून क्यों यूज करना. फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगा he had heard from Manoj Muntasab the idea when he was doing Hamari Adhuri. He said save it for Half Girlfriend. And he's used it in the correct film. So full credit to the man for having such knowledge about his own material.
And belief as well, especially after when your last film has not worked.
And he
So
only
still to
works
have that
with
belief.
new talent. That's so amazing. That he gives so many opportunities
So
to
many
new talent to come out.
And
Okay.
he really gives them all the credit that they
Right.
deserve because while we may be the faces of the songs, the songs might be a part of our films. You know, the guy is actually behind the scenes जिन्होंने गाना बनाया है, जिन्होंने गाना गाया
Even the
है.
music arrangers, like I still remember for Ek Galiyan, he actually spoke about the music arranger.
Galiyan,
कौन
yes.
करता है? He
For
actually
me,
spoke about
I've
that.
had so many amazing songs, and I've been very fortunate in this in my short career to have very good music and fantastic music from different composers.
Yeah.
But I have not seen this euphoria around music.
Absolutely.
Yeah, me neither. And I've been very
And
fortunate to have been a part
You've
of
been
that.
extremely
He generates
fortunate.
that euphoria for music. He brings that old school love back into music being something so pure.
Absolutely. And you play the rock star once again, and
I play
in the movie, you like to sing.
He's fond of singing. Yes.
You're fond of
I
singing. Then you're going once
basically-
again to New York in the later part of it, right?
तो वो थोड़ा
That is
अभी
curiosity factor. हम लोग like 2 and 2 to put
ज़्यादा
together कर रहे हैं.
information नहीं देंगे.
Okay, sure.
पर रिया
You're passionate about music in the
रिया
movie.
डेफिनेटली हाँ बहुत पैशनेट है म्यूज़िक को लेके और खुद के गाने लिखती हैं और म्यूज़िक में बहुत म्यूज़िक एक अहम हिस्सा है उसकी लाइफ का क्योंकि जो भी उलझन में वो है म्यूज़िक के थ्रू वो उसके साथ क्या कहते हैं शी डील्स विद इट थ्रू म्यूज़िक म्यूज़िक एक किस्म की दवा है उसके लिए.
Right, in terms of, okay, she has some personal issues which I think
Yes.
once you get to see the movie,
Yes.
you get to know about that. Okay, fine.
I also like the fact that she's not playing the rock star. You know, the thing is she's somebody who loves singing, but it's not the quintessential like she's singing for the world. Some people like to sing for themselves also.
Right.
So I like that about her character. She's not.
She likes to perform as well. She likes to go and perform in front
Yeah,
of.
but it's more internalized than trying to get fame and adulation, and she's not one of those in the film. But I'm talking about
Right.
the character is more about, like she said, it works for her to make her come out of situations. Like when I watch a film, I feel like I can forget my worries. I like to. So she uses something that she's so passionate about to get away from her problems in life, which is a new way of interpreting.
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
A passion in the film.
I saw one of your interviews where you spoke about Tevar, how it you just totally got broken once the movie released. Is it something that just drill into yourself that जितने limited expectations रखो that is the best in the final? Is it something that
I have always been very realistic, Faridun. I am very practical and realistic. What we have got in our younger generation in terms of this numbers and this success, it literally feels like overnight. You know, पहले 2-3 साल में to see that kind of range of success, to see those numbers coming in, it's unrealistic to always expect every film to top the last one.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The point is, like I said, the film should be appreciated. So I feel happy when Ki and Ka is appreciated. Nobody is discussing the box office alone. There is love from people coming in. So yes, of course, I take it personally because I would like all my films to do well. But I've always been a very realistic person. I'm very practical when it comes to these things. You cannot always expect your last film to be beaten by this one, and then it's not humanly possible. कोई नहीं कर सकता. It's very difficult.
Yeah, but बिल्कुल सही बात है. In fact, I'll send you a picture. There's a shop near my house, and it is actually called Key & Ka.
Oh,
I'll send you a picture.
Yeah. There is. I know. I've seen that. Have you only posted it before? No.
I don't remember.
There is a salon called Key & Ka.
No, it's not salon.
Okay,
It's like a
cool.
clothes for women and men.
Please send it to me. I'll send it to Balki, sir. He'll be very happy.
I'll send you a picture of that. We just bring this interview to a close, and looking forward to watching the film excitedly, and we hope that it's like a huge success, and you guys can just go from strength to strength. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
So much.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.